Hi folks, in today's recipe we are going to be making a nutrient-packed sea moss and bhaji aka Jamaican callaloo milk drink aka punch. This punch has loads and loads of nutrients and health benefits and we're going to talk a little bit about that. Let's get into it. To begin making our callaloo or bhaji sea moss punch, we need 3 key ingredients. These ingredients are sea moss or Irish moss, fresh nutmeg, not the ground nutmeg, fresh nutmeg, and bhaji or Jamaican callaloo. This punch is very healthy, full of nutrients, very good for the body, and you will see how I will prepare this. I'm going to pick up about 40 leaves of the callaloo and I'm going to wash them up. These are the green callaloo leaves. They also have the red ones, but it really doesn't matter as long as it's callaloo. It's very healthy and packed with iron. Some of you may not know that callaloo keeps your hair moisturized. It helps your skin to be moisturized. It helps when you have a flu. Packed with vitamin C and helps to maintain your collagen. So this spinach is very packed with nutrients, and you can prepare this many other different ways, and I think this should be enough. I want the drink to be very smooth, so I will take off this rib. You just want to remove it just like you would kale. And you don't have to take off the rib for the younger ones because they are very soft. So we're going to wash these up now. For the sea moss, use very clean water, a large amount, and you want to wash the sea moss in different water. You're changing the water each time for about 4-5 times. All these salt particles, you want to get rid of them, and the smell. You want to get all that salt out and that sea smell. So I'm going to change the water again about 3 different times on that running water. It's nicely washed and I have it in some lukewarm water, some clean lukewarm water. The water is warm to the touch so it blooms very fast. So I'm going to leave it here for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes so that it can bloom and soften a bit. While the blooming is taking place, I will prepare our bhaji aka Jamaican callaloo. So we have some boiling water going here, and I'm going to put my bhaji in there to cook for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, just so that they can melt away. In 5 minutes they should be good. And this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. Now we're going to prepare the sea moss. I'm cooking this in 2 cups of water. At the end of the cooking process for the sea moss, this is when I like to add the freshly grated nutmeg, because the oils tend to come out right away with the heat and just before I start adding the milk. So this is when I get the best flavor. The sea moss and nutmeg have been added to the bowl, and now I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's add back the bhaji. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This mixture will get rid of the bhaji taste and infuse the nutmeg and the vanilla and the cinnamon and bring everything together. You can use a standing mixer for this. Because it's a larger batch than my blender can hold, I am using a stick blender and a bowl to blend the punch. I've since added whole milk to this, table cream, and now we're gonna add some carnation milk. Our last ingredient, condensed milk. If I add ice to this, the bhaji will not blend properly. So I want to get the blend of bhaji as smooth as possible. So I am omitting ice until it's serving time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and drop a comment in the comment section and let me know some other blends that I can use with the sea moss and some of the health benefits. And this is just about done. You don't have to use the same method that I use. You can use a standing blender for this. And here you have it, a rich bhaji sea moss beverage. Give this video a subscribe and a like. Click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And if you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add sugar, preferably brown sugar. And if you don't want it so thick, you can thin it out with milk or some water because it is very rich in milk. Garnish with cinnamon. And here you have it, our bhaji sea moss punch is done. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.